Hello and welcome to this guided meditation for calming the mind. In this meditation, we will be using the power of our breath to bring a sense of peace and stillness to our minds. So, find a comfortable seated position and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Repeat this for a few more breaths, feeling your body and mind start to relax with each exhale. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Simply observe your natural inhales and exhales without trying to change them. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. As you continue to breathe, imagine a bright light entering your body with each inhale. This light is pure and calming, bringing a sense of peace and tranquility to your mind and body. With each exhale, imagine any tension, stress, or negativity leaving your body and being replaced with this calming light. If your mind is still racing, try counting your breaths. Count each inhale and exhale as one breath, and try to count up to 10. If you lose count, simply start again at 1. This will help you to focus your mind and calm any racing thoughts. As you continue to breathe, you may notice that your mind starts to feel more still and peaceful. Allow yourself to stay in this state for a few more breaths, enjoying this sense of calm and tranquility. As this meditation comes to an end, take a few more deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Bring your attention back to your body and notice how you feel. You may feel more relaxed, calm, and centered. Take this sense of peace with you as you go about your day. Thank you for meditating with me today.